I'm Suchitra. I must thank all our department teachers for molding me to who I am now. So I feel college is just not about the degree that you carry after your name. So it is the personality that you get after 3 years. So, and I'm so blessed that I've chosen the right place. Yeah, and what I realize now is this is just not given me 3 years of happiness, but a lifetime experience.
Nisha Patil. A great deal of the credit goes to what I have learned through 5 years of my academic experience at Anna Adarsh College, and to be very specific, with the Corporate Secretaryship Department of Anna Adarsh College. It was a place where I was not just motivated academically to give my 100%, but also, in my extracurricular activities, I was always challenged, pushed, so that I give my best and I could do the best I could. I owe a huge round of gratitude to each and every professor, each and every faculty who has contributed towards it, and especially the lovely Department of Corporate Secretariat.